Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on a 1966 Mustang Convertible. This one here's got a 289 under the hood, aluminum radiator. Gonna be doing a little walk around, pointing out any kind of flaws. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Do that with every car. Also a test drive, so be looking for a test drive on this one. All you have to do is type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors into the YouTube search bar. You can check out all of our inventory at maplemotors.com. You can also get financed and shipping. That's all available at maplemotors.com. So go there, check that out, look at the detailed pictures, and let's get started here. One of the first things I'm gonna do is drop the top, but we're gonna walk around the car real quick, try to find all the flaws. Front bumper on this one's in pretty good shape, not perfect. See some little dimples and stuff popping up right there. The grill on this one's in pretty good shape. Looking down this side, pretty solid looking car. It's not real wavy, nice and straight. Check both sides for that. Seems pretty good. There's a little scratch down here at the bottom. The tires on it are in good shape. American racing wheels with drum brakes all the way around. We're gonna check the bottoms of the doors first. Any bubbles, issues that I see, I'm gonna let it be known. There's a scratch right here. Trying to make it pop up by going left and right. I know the lighting ain't great with the clouds out today, so I'm sure the film looks a little bit dark. The GoPro does a good job of brightening things up. There's a little bubble in the paint there in the clear. Looks like it's a little thick. The back window's got a haze on it and a tape, or somebody, I guess, cut it. Looks like a slit there. This car looks awesome. I love the paint job on it. The top is a bit older, you can see. It's got some spots in it. I haven't noticed it leaking. We will check the carpet. Back bumper on this one's in good shape with dual exhaust. We're gonna be popping the trunk here in just a moment before we go to the interior. Checking the bottoms of the door on this side, and then we'll come back and you see a chip right there where people are getting in and out. Kicked it. Door handles are in good shape. All the trim is nice and clean looking. It's a beautiful car. Little fuzz. All right, we made it all the way around this car. Let's go ahead and grab the keys and check the trunk and drop that top, because it'll make it a lot easier to look at the interior with the top down. And as long as we beat the rain, we're gonna do a test drive. Popping the trunk up, you got your boot, covers up the top when the top's down. The jams are in pretty good shape, nice and clean. Weather stripping on it, fairly new. Little gluey. Little gluey. See if there's any water back here. It rained this morning. A little bit of moisture getting back here. See it popping up. Man, this is in here tough. Oh, let's see, that was blocking me. There we go. I think they got this mat glued down in here or something. Covering up a new gas tank. Trunk really looks pretty good, nice and clean. Spare tires over there, package tray, not too bad. A little moisture on top of the spare tire here. For the most part, in good shape. And it shuts easy. Let's come on up here to the interior. White does show dirt. You can see some scuff marks. People kick the door getting in and out. Weather stripping's a bit older, but still soft, so it's doing its job. Floor looks pretty good, a little wet. Top's leaking a little bit. You can see the back mat there had a little water on it. Back seat looks good. Go ahead, place your bets. You think the horn works on this one? Got a good looking interior. All right, guys. First things first, drop the top. It is easier on the top motor to go ahead and start the car, so we will. Starts up, got a good sound, tax coming up. Oil pressure gauge is coming up as well, it is working. We'll watch the temp and see what happens. This should be the top switch, and it is. I'm gonna turn you around, let you watch it go. Top's all the way down. Let's try our wipers. There it goes. Radio. Radio's working. Blower motor. Blower motor's not working. Aftermarket gauges. Oil pressure's not hooked up. Water temperature's still down. We'll watch it. Good deal. Horn. Can we get it to work? I don't think the horn works on this one. We're doing it all. Nothing. Windows. Windows are nice and smooth. Motor's nice and quiet. All right, I'm about to give y'all some undercarriage shots, and then we're going to take off on a test drive. 2-part videos for every car. Just type in this information. 1966 Ford Mustang Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar, and you'll find 2 videos of this one. You can also use that stock number to access it even easier. I'm going to give you some undercarriage shots. Definitely check out maplemotors.com for all those detailed pictures. Let's look under it. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Like I said, check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Close to 100 detailed pictures and all of our inventory. Getting ready to go for a test drive because looks like the rain's holding out. And I'm not going to put the top back up until I get back. So let's go ahead and hit the road. Definitely check out that video. I'll link it to the end of this one. Guys, if you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.